to replace the keypad or mainboard on a car MP3 player. Here's how to reassemble the main unit step by step. First, we started by attaching the keypad board to the front panel. Make sure it's aligned properly, then secure it with screws. Make sure the USB port is aligned. Secure with screws first. Next, we install the side panels onto the body. You can first connect the ribbon cable to the KB board. It's easier to do the rest of the work later. Now, it's time to prepare the main board. We mount the heatsink onto the back, making sure it fits tightly and has good contact. Make sure the screws are tightened securely. Install the heatsink and main board. After that, we connected the ribbon cable from the front panel to the main board. Gently slide it in and lock it to ensure a stable connection. Finally, we covered the top with the upper panel and fastened the screws. Everything is now assembled and ready for testing. The assembly process for a car MP3 player is not difficult. If you have any other questions, please follow Hitsound and leave a comment.